Let's get in here. Guys, y'all back. This is your boy Dreddy. Alright, we're about to clean some carpets again. Subscribe, like. I hope you guys, practice moderation during this holiday season. Alright? And you guys didn't get too crazy. Okay? Me myself, guess what? Put in some work. Had a lot of time to relax, seeing family, and I just took it easy. You know what I mean? So, what we doing? We're at this house. I'm at this house in Old Winter Garden, and it needs to be, completed and closed out. We are the last people, the last subcontractors to go into these homes and basically do the carpet. All right, whether it be carpet or tile. So what we're doing right now, I'm walking it, seeing, everywhere that has carpets, because sometimes, believe me, if you don't open all the doors, you will end up missing, all right, carpet. And it's been times where I'm in Orlando and somebody missed, one closet, and guess what? We had to go back to that house in Deltona or wherever it is. It could be an hour away and complete that job, because guess what? You want to get paid, and they want to pay you for things that, guess what, you say you were going to do. All right. So yeah, man, guys, like, share, subscribe. All right, so right now, what we doing? We're pulling this hose all the way up, setting up everything so we can rock and roll. Let's go. So, all right, we upstairs now. It's time to do the pre-spray. In the pre-spray solution, we usually put peroxide, stain remover. Sometimes if the area has pet damage, of course, we would have to include pet treatment. Okay? This one has a lot of stains and discolorations. It's very light. The carpet is almost white, creamish white. So, of course, we have to go really heavy and strong on the solution. The reason why we lock in the hose like that at the balusters, the suction from the truck mount will consistently pull the hose down. So it can be a little bit frustrating if you're in the back room, if you don't have the hose secured. All right, the hose will pull, go all the way back downstairs. So that's one of the reasons why we have to lock it in right there in the balusters. It's pretty safe because it's rubber and it wouldn't affect the balusters. Another thing I must mention, if you ever decide to, you know, take up carpet cleaning as a career or as a, new business venture, it's very important that you have boots. You see the boots that I'm wearing, right? Better known as water boots. Now, we as carpet cleaners, we go through a lot of shoes, all right? So it's very important that you don't really buy too much an expensive type of shoe. I would recommend, the most you would pay for a shoe is probably like 30, 40 bucks. You can get really good boots at Walmart for that price. But the solutions usually that we would spray on the carpet over time will basically destroy the glue that most of these shoes are glued with at the bottom. All right. A lot of times when you see shoes and they look like they're stitched in, they're not stitched in, they're actually just glued in. And it just depends on how strong the glue is, if it's going to hold or not. But as carpet cleaners, we're spraying peroxide and a lot of other chemicals, and that could eat the glue up. Well, that is what eats the glue up, and you'll all of a sudden have shoes where you'll start seeing the holes and it's separating from the sole. All right. So it's good to have those boots because you'll just keep shoes a little bit more longer. All right, so we're about to do the downstairs carpet. More than likely, this room here would probably be a guest bedroom, when grandma come over, when, aunts and uncles coming from town. This would be the room that they usually occupy. So this needs to be done. We're getting it set up and, so we can get the hell out of here. All right. If you're in the Orlando area, contact Express Carpets. All right. I'm just one of the technicians that, do amazing work. We out here trying to make sure that, everyone is aware that it's very important to clean your house, clean your carpets. All right. Cut down on allergies. All right. Just having a clean environment changes your mood and affects your attitude. Okay, so Express Carpets, if you're in the Orlando area, Mount Dora, Leesburg, even Melbourne, Cocoa, Titusville, all right, we can come out to those areas. Contact me in the description, or you could just simply pull up Express Carpets, all right, on the web, Orlando, all right, and we can service you. Simple as that. We like making sure that, guess what, our customers are satisfied, and when we leave, we want to make sure the place smells good and you have clean carpets. It'll fix your mood, all right? There's studies done on this, all right? So give us a call. We can come out and transform your house from a zoo into a palace.